Good morning, traders. It's Wednesday, March 11th at 4:25 a.m. We have exciting trades for you today. We've got Oracle, which had earnings, and it's up. And then we also have the QQQ. So let's go ahead and check out what we've got here. We usually start with the largest trades in the last 30 days. So we've got the February 20th here. We've got this large print 148.50 area. That's 2.5 million. Then we pulled back to the 140, and you can see prints here. And then for the next almost month, we sat around, well, February 20th all the way till March 10th. So not quite a month. We've been hovering around these prints. And so look at all of them that are sitting in here. These are 10 of them. And then the day before earnings, look at this. We opened, pulled back, massive volume, closing 10 cents below this 2.5 million share trade. They knew what earnings was going to be for sure. Of course they did. Look, now we're already up almost $16 here. We're up $15.91. So that's an interesting trade here. If you're looking into earnings, you should check out the dark pools and see where the institutions are. So let's map this out on both sides. We're going to be bullish above 167. Let's get above here. 167, get above this one. The high here, target 167.73 is R4, 168, 170, 170, 250, 173.42 is this R5. And if we're riding the 4 and the 8 exponential moving average together, there's no reason to get out. These larger ones here are quite important for the person's pivots. So on the downside, we're going to be bearish below 164. Let's get below this dollar level here. That's also this support. We want to break below this 164. Target 163, 162.04. This is the post-market support as well. It's also, usually this is the overbought area, which is this R3. Then we've got 161, 160, 157.50, 156.35. And I mapped this out back to this R2. We've got my 200 exponential, 200 simple pivot, and a cam right back here. So we could do that. We could come a little bit lower. We could pull back to this 150 level. I stopped here, but same thing like I mentioned, if it's strong, stay in. This is kind of a fair value gap all the way back here down to 151. So we'll see. You can map that out. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at the QQQs. All right, so here's the Qs, largest trades in the last 30 days. We've got this one, February 10th, and you can see this. This has been quite the roller coaster ride. A lot of people are getting stopped out here. So from this print, we've got a high of 617 to a low of 590, right? So that's, what's that? 27 points we've got. And so this has been quite volatile. So we've got this pulled back, got prints in here, and you can see then we upthrusted, sold back through the prints, holding on. Then we were tagging my 200 simple moving average, very close to it, moved up. Now we're stuck in this conglomerate of prints here. We are above the 4 and the 8 exponential moving average. That's happening today. Yesterday was a huge doji. And it looks like maybe we'll start breaking out to the upside. So let's go ahead and see. We're going to be bullish above 609.50. So let's get above here. You can see all of this mess that's here. We've got the pivot. We've got my 200 simple moving average. We got 357.6 million shares here. We want this to be support. So let's get up, break, retest, and all of that so that we can get up a little bit higher. So 609.50, 609.93, 611, 612.10 is the cam, 612.23 is actually R1, 613.14 is 2.3 million, 614.77 is 1.7 million, 615.67 is a cam. Then we've got 616.42 and 616.70, 8.8 million shares right here. That's a couple billion right there, so careful. with that coming up to the R2. Similar sort of thing. If we've got this trend moving up, you can at least see where it's going to pull back, maybe another buying opportunity with the increasing volume. We're going to be bearish below 607. Let's get below 607. Right down here. You can try and get in a little bit earlier here and scalp. But 607.50 maybe to 607. I picked 607 to break below this. And then target 606.33. 605.96 is 5.4 million. 605.61. 604.36. So you can see here the downside's a little bit easier on this. 604.36. 603.44, 602.50, 696. So there's a really nice pocket here down to 696, which is the S2. Then I've got 599.87 is the CAM, and 595, 593.09 is S3. So there's some massive drops here where it can just free fall if it needs to. So there you have it. Those are your trade setups for today. So please like, share, subscribe, leave some comments in the comment section below. Enjoy doing these videos and hearing from our traders. So we have a dark pool weekly report. Click the link in the description below. MobyTickTrading.com/weekly-report. First name, email address. You'll get the current one. I think we're on our 5th one so far. Our trade callouts are doing really well. So every week we analyze how the previous week went, pick some new swing trade setups, and get a little bit of dark pool education in there. All right, it's not time wasted. And there you have it. Have a great rest of your trading day, everyone, and we'll see you later this afternoon with our results video. MobyTick has partnered with TrendSpider to bring real-time institutional trades to your charts. Click the link in the description below for more details.